It's me, Imad, from Nelson Darwin Plant Yard YouTube channel. So today you can see that we have a plant that is called as the opuntia microdasys. So we will try to propagate it from its stem cuttings. So for it we have taken our media in 3 disposable glasses, and media is simple garden soil with some sand content in it, like 50% sand and 50% simple garden soil. Although it looks a little bit like compost, but it is not the fact. Okay, the garden soil has like a bit of some organic matter, so it looks a little bit like compost. Okay, okay, now these are our open yum microdasys cuttings, and actually we have made these cuttings by again cutting the main cuttings, like we have made from like 2 to 3 cutting from a simple pad of the bunny ear cactus. Okay, and after drying of like 7 days we are here to propagate them in the media. Why it is so? Because when we cut its cutting, then there is a lot of wound. Okay, because the part which is cut, it has some like a wound. Okay, so we have to dry it, and then it will callus our, like that a simple membrane like thing will form on it. Okay, and now we are putting it inside our media. Okay, just bury it like this, so that some part, okay, like 20% of the stem must be under the media, and the rest of the stem must be above the media in the air. Okay, okay, now this is the second one. Okay, now we will take our second cutting. Okay, put it out. Okay, in the start you need to give a lot of water. Okay, at the first time. Why it is so? Because these are also in a little bit shock. Okay, why it is so? Because they are like removed from their mother plant, and they are without roots. Okay, so they are a little bit in shock. Okay, so this is our third cutting. Okay, now you need to put them in shade in order to see the results. Okay, so we have put them in shade. I will also plant the next 3, okay, which are on the table, but at this time we are just doing these. Okay, on July 29, 2022, and now you can see the result of 4 cuttings. Okay, well, let me bring the fourth one. Okay, and 2 have shown very good progress, like 2 to 3 have shown very good progress. Like you can see that there is pad on the top of the stem cuttings. Okay, okay, now we will take this one out, so that we will see that either we have some roots. Okay, we have developed some roots. Now again we will put it in the media. Okay, now press the soil so that it will adjust. Okay, the stem will adjust within the media. One more thing you should have to kept it in your mind, that do not give them a lot of water. Okay, if you will give these cuttings a lot of water, so they will just rot. Okay, and cannot survive. Okay, now this one has a lot of fruits. Okay, you can see. Okay, it has shown a good progress in terms of like roots development. Okay, now we will go for our third cutting. So this is our third cutting. Okay, now this one is also having a lot of roots. Okay, although roots are covered with media, but still we can observe a lot of roots. Okay, root bowl is big one. Okay, now we will adjust it so that it can survive for complete until complete maturity. Okay, now this is the fourth one, and it also has shown some baby plant, some pad or some stem on the top of its cutting. Okay, okay, now this one has a lot of roots. Okay, so I'm just pulling it out so that okay, now I have lost a lot of roots. Okay, okay, now okay, this one. So we will put it in the media so that it will grow further. And okay, so I will again put it into this media just like others so that it will survive. So in this way we can propagate our opuntia microdasys or bunny ear cactus plant with the help of like simple garden soil. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.